In today's episode, we're going to take you on a quick tour of our recent staging we named Sunshine. This home has a really unique feature that you won't find in many houses on the market. We have a special guest joining us at the end of this video to discuss that feature. Stay tuned until the end to find out. Hi, and welcome back to BA Studio TV. This home is located at 10 Webster Valley Road in Darien, Connecticut. This gorgeous new construction has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and is 5,300 square feet. Our staging was customized to enhance the elegant open floor plan, modern finishes, and high-quality craftsmanship. Each detail was carefully selected to showcase down-to-earth sophistication. This home is filled with natural sunlight from its large floor-to-ceiling windows. The large master suite includes a fireplace, spacious walk-in closet, and a luxurious master bath. Let's take a look in the shower, where we can find that unique feature we mentioned earlier. This invisible drain system takes the luxury of the bathrooms to the next level. We sat down with Mirek from Drains Unlimited to learn a little more about their products. Keep watching. Okay, Mirek, thanks so much for sitting down with us today. We're so excited to learn a little bit more about the drain system in 10 Webster Valley Road in Darien and your company. So would you be able to just introduce yourself a little bit and let us know how you got started with Drains Unlimited?
Sure, thank you for having me in the show, Karina. So my name is Mirek. I'm the CEO of Drains Unlimited. I started the company about 3 years ago as a small local business manufacturing stainless steel drains for local contractors. Very quickly, we started to get more requests from all over the country from the contractors looking for custom drains that they couldn't get from our competitors. Today, we're one of the most advanced stainless steel drains manufacturers, offering very innovative and unique products like our UW series wall drain that we actually got the best of the year product award at the last KB show in Vegas.
What makes the technology different with your drain system, and how is it unique from the drains that we see just regularly in homes?
So what I like to say about our company is that we think outside of the box. We're bringing a totally different approach to the market than what's available right now. Like our wall drain, it was definitely new product on the market. We just added a corner drain for a new angle shower. So, we're dictating new trends in the market. That's what I could say.
Yeah, we love that. And it's really so beautiful, the drains and the work that you do. So I see behind you, you have some items there. Would you be able to share with us what that is that you have there?
Sure, I would love to. So the first one here is our linear wall drain. This is the product that we got the Best of KBS award for. What I love about this drain, it offers very seamless installation where this front grate comes off. It has a magnetic catch system. The tile gets installed inside here. And another great feature about this drain is this grate is suspended here, so there is no place for hair to get stuck. So what we say, this is the most hygienic drain on the market right now. So a lot of our clients love that aspect of it. It's very easy to maintain. Our latest addition is our corner drain, which is probably one of my favorite products. I love that drain. It just creates a very clean look. It gets installed right in the corner. This is tile and tray. Comes off. We're getting a lot of positive feedback from our clients all over the country about this drain. So we're looking forward to see more of those different projects. In addition to that, we have standard linear floor drains with the different grade options, including a gold finish and black powder coats. So we have a full line of drains for any shower installations.
Wow, yeah, I mean, so unique from anything else that you see on the market right now. So this home that we recently collaborated on, we did the staging there. Can you tell us a little bit about that and your side of the project there at 10 Webster Valley Road in Darien?
Sure. Yeah, so Webster Valley was a very interesting project to us. As a client came to us and asked, what do we offer so it's different on the market? He wants to stand out from the competition. He wants to be innovative. So what we did, we proposed our DOW series wall drain for the master shower, which is beautiful, the large format porcelain in this application. And then for the secondary bathrooms, we used 12-inch drains. The one I just showed you guys, which got installed in the wall. There is no grate in the floor. It's very clean look. We got a very happy customer, and we got a lot of compliments on this project. So it's been a great job for us.
Yeah, we love the house. Can you tell us a little bit about the type of people, the clients that purchase these types of drains and where people can find your products?
So most of our products are designed to be used in a high-end construction, either residential or commercial. Our wall drain is definitely a luxury product, but we also have a full line of linear floor drains that are being used on projects where the cost of the product is very important, so we can offer very significant savings on projects as well.
Oh, that's great. So what is the website again? And if you have a phone number that people can reach you if they're interested in one of your drain systems?
Sure. So the website is www.drains-unlimited.com, and the phone number is 833-837-2467. You can call us. We'll be happy to answer any technical questions, give you the recommendation on the best drainage system for your shower.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm sure we're going to have lots of people reaching out to you. The products are just beautiful. Thank you so much, Mirek, for joining us today. That was so interesting, everything that you shared. And we hope that we'll be able to work together again soon and maybe have you back on our TV show again.
Great. Thank you very much for having me, and looking forward to future projects together.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.